Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Platform of Learning Linguistics. Today we're gonna talk about the all-important topic that is cooperative principle. This cooperative principle was presented by Paul Grice in 1975. This is an assumption which proposes that communication is successful when interlocutors, people, or we can say speaker and listener cooperate with each other. How can speaker and listener cooperate with each other? Grice presents four maxims as an answer to this question. The first maxim is the maxim of quality, which instructs to be true. It means that do not say what you believe to be false. Secondly, do not say that for which you lack adequate evidence. For example, if someone asks you that what about your car, and you reply that my car breaks down every 5 seconds. Now, this is called the flouting of the quality maxim. It is not the answer you should have given to the listener. You should have said that my car breaks down every 5 or 10 days. If you know that it breaks down every 5 to 10 days. And here it is important to note that what is the difference between flouting and violation. I will tell you in detail in the next video about the difference between flouting and violation. And now let's talk about the second maxim, that is the maxim of quantity. Maxim of quantity instructs to be brief, which means that say enough but don't say too much. For example, if someone asks you, have you read novel and drama? And you respond that I have read drama and novel. This is the answer which is brief. But if you answer him that I have read drama and then full stop, then it is called the flouting. You do not tell him about the novel, that you have not read the novel. The third maxim is called the maxim of relevance. Maxim of relevance instructs to be relevant, which means to stick to the point and make your contributions relevant. For example, if someone asks you that have you finished your report, and you answer it's on your desk. Now this is also called the flouting. It is on your desk is not a direct, or it is, although it is relevant, but it is an implicator. You should have said that yes, I have finished my report, which will be more relevant, although it is important to note that it is on your desk is also relevant, but it is a flouting and it is an implicator. And the fourth maxim of the cooperative principle is the maxim of manner, which instructs to be clear. It means that avoid obscurity, do not be ambiguous, be ordered, and make your contribution clear or as much as possible. For example, if someone asks you that did you enjoy the party, and you answer or reply that there were a lot of people wandering here and there, they were busy in different activities, they enjoyed a lot. Now, this is ambiguous. It does not provide the answer that whether you enjoyed the party or not. You are obscured, you are ambiguous, you are not clear. And you should have told him or her that I enjoyed the party, or yeah, I enjoyed the party. So this was all about the cooperative principle, and in the last I will make a request to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon in order to receive the notifications of the upcoming lectures as well.